Hello. So mag-start na ako. So today, welcome sa akong channel. It's January 19. January 9, sorry. So, I'm planning to have tech group study and have tech group study daily between 4 to 5 p.m. From Tuesday to Friday. Yun na siya. So, while thinking once I study na to, and I found this video from Pascal, from Fireship.io. Let's see, skip the ads, and this one.
Famous for teaching a generation of kids from the 70s and 80s how to code. It was created by Nicholas Wirth in the late 1960s and named after French mathematician Blaise Pascal. It was originally based on the algol 60 language, but expanded.
So I'm going to skip the last one. So I think I like to learn about this one because of this one. In memory of Nicholas Wirth. So who is Nicholas Wirth? Nicholas Wirth. So he died January 1, 2024, and he is computer scientist and then Swiss, and then he is designed Pascal programming language, this one. So that's why I'm like to he is, I think, 90 years old when he died. So, and what's amazing with this one is Nicholas Wirth. I read some of it. So develops several influential programming language including algol W. So it's a famous programming language, old Pascal, and today is what I know. Algol and Pascal. I've heard about it pero I haven't used. So, pero let's check about Pascal. What is Pascal? So in short, Google says is Pascal. Pascal programming language. So I read some of it and it's cool with it's imperative and procedural language. So from top to bottom, and then it designed by, and then so it's small, efficient language intended for good programming practices and data structure. So what I've noticed in this from Fireship, from Jeff, is how
Dynamic recursive data structure, but expanded its data structuring
so
and named after French mathematician Blaise Pascal. It was originally based on the algol 60 language, but expanded its data structuring abilities, allowing developers to build dynamic recursive data structures like trees and graphs. It got its big break when it became the language of choice on the Apple.
so that's one. I like that part. So it became like the term used here is
developers to build dynamic recursive data structure.
dynamic recursive. So that's coding style is still used in the modern programming language. This one, JavaScript, PHP, like that. So it's interesting thing, and then I found the structure very good. This one,
It's
like you are,
which will execute.
it's like you are doing a like C or so basic programming language. So it begin and end with like Java program, and then this look like JavaScript or TypeScript. So that's it. It's cool. So while looking at this video, I like to think maybe you could try this one. Pascal programming language. So I'll put this link to the channel, the video in this video notes. Oh wait. So I like by the way, this is on your computer. So still setting up, and I like to take notes in the Sublime text. So in Sublime text you can create programs like it's a code editor, and it's famous for it. Okay, showing folder, downloads. Okay, there it is. Let's set up. So what I like with Sublime Text is you can there it is. So if like type in here, close it, and open it again, the text still remain. So that's what I like. Then this old notepad, but the new notepad in the Windows 11, you can do some like the same feature like this one. So there's no need to save it for temporary files. So that's it. Sublime Text. So going to our topic, going back to our topic, this one, Pascal. So this is what I found the internet about the code editor. In Fireshare.io, it mentioned in here you can menu in here is what you can code. This one you can code in your PC. So you just go to their official, where it is, Pascal programming tutorial. No, Pascal programming documentation. So you just go in here, and this is their documentation. So you can download and do stops their official page. But I don't like to. I don't like to download. Just like to try it online. Everything is online. So tutorial. Um, Fireship. Ayo. Uh, Not Fireship. Ayo. It's Fireship. Fireship Ayo is different. Okay. Um, Pascal official documentation. Then this one. Um, so you could read this one, or you can do this tutorial. So there's a tutorial from Tutorial Point about Pascal. So it says in here from Fireship that in the 90s, or in the, where is it? Forget the year. It was famous, but it was famous for kids. You can create this one and games. So, and they pay, I think, the high price. So yeah, $50 for this one to create programs in Pascal, and it's interesting. It's worth it. Fireship says it's worth it, Jeff. So I haven't tried it, but I'm going to try it right now. So kana siya. So let's dive into it. What's this one? So what is Pascal? It's a procedural designed in 1968, published in 1970 by Nicholas Wirth, and Pascal runs such as Windows, macOS, and various Unix, Linux. So it runs almost all programming operating system. This tutorial is designed for software professionals who are going to learn Pascal in simple and easy steps. So before proceeding into this tutorial, you should have a basic understanding of software, basic concepts like what is source code, compiler, and text editor. So if you're ready, let's go. So next. So Pascal is a easy to learn. Just read it one there. If you have spare time, I don't have. I like to dive in. Okay. So this is an environment setup. So you could do this one. I know. So this is the environment. Like, you cannot run a code without having an environment where the code will be executed. So you need this one. So right now we're going to use this compiler, and it runs on the server of Tutorial Point, so it's fine. But in your computer, you could use this one. Tutorial. So this is how you install in Linux operating systems. So it's Windows and Mac. So Xcode. So that's it. And so next is editor. So we're going to use editor, this one. So you could use Sublime or VS Code, the famous VS Code. But we're going to use this one, the online editor, provided by Tutorial Point. It's not sponsored, but yeah, I like to use free things. So programming structure is this one. Before we start, basic building blocks of Pascal programming. Let's look at the bare minimum Pascal structure so that you can take it as a reference in upcoming chapters. So a Pascal programming program basically consists of parts. Program name, use command and type declaration, constant, variables, functions, procedures, main program block, and statement. So take note of this one. So below is, this is how it is shown in the code editor. So let's put this one here. Okay. Okay, so it says name of the program, this one. Program name, okay, hello world. So that's what the name of your program. Uses, later on, you can see those things. So, hello, Pascal, hello world. So the famous line, hello world, creating programs. So start this, hello program and output. So why there is an output in here? So we're going to erase that one. Let's try. Here the main program block starts. So this is how they use comments. So it's not readable. Okay, we're going to try it. So begin block. So this is start. So if you execute it, and it took time, why? Okay, let's try this one. Error, server hello world. Program hello. The big letter? Huh? Why do you use CRT? Comma delimited. Names of library you use. Okay, I don't know that one. So let's try this one. P execute. Okay, the naming convention. They put it in the wrong way. So that's it. Program is hello world. So you notice that our error is it's a big letter P. It's supposed to be small. So this is the name of your program. So my first Pascal. You can name it anything. That's it. Leave. So first thing is you're gonna write hello friends. Welcome to my channel. That one. So that's how you create execute code. That one. Okay. So next, I'm going to second line use CRT is a preprocessor, which does compiler to include CRT unit. Okay, I don't know that. This one is every block in Pascal is enclosed with a begin statement, begin and end. However, the end statement indicates the end of the main program. Full stop. So this is full stop, the dot, instead of semicolon. So this is how you code in, or you, this is one line of execution, next line, next line. So they stop using this one. And they end the program using this one, the dot. Begin statement, the lines within this one will be ignored. So as you can see, if I put it here, if I so that one, so execute, it will return nothing because oh wait lang, because it's yep, because it's test of the compiler that this code is not included in the execution of the codes. So that's it. So it's excluded from the program. They put programmers do this to check or to have notes in their codes without that is excluded in the main functions of the system. Read key allows the display pause until the user press any key. Oh, that's it. That's cool. So you need to press any key. Let's try it. Read key, right line. So just okay, gonna do. So I'm lazy. Just copy paste and oopsie, aborted. You use CRT. Go friends. And you notice it one? I pressed the key here. So that again. So if you notice, it's waiting for me to press any key. This is the read key means. Then if I press enter or any number, enter. Wait. Read key. If you enter and okay. Allows display pause until the press a key. It's this part of the CRT unit. Let's try again. So if I press A. So there are words that okay. So you press any key and then press enter. That's interesting. Next is so it's 422. So this is how you save in your local computer. So just read it, and this is how you execute it. So because we are using online coding, so you don't need to do like this one. The next. So by the way, wait, later when we hit 430. So next is this one. You've seen a basic structure of Pascal programming, so it will be easy to understand other basic building blocks of Pascal. So a variable definition is put in a block. So this is how you define a variable. So you put this one var, and at the end of the var, put sample name, then what type it is. So what variable type? Let's try that one. What variable types it is? Reserve in Pascal. I'm gonna ask one. Pascal programming variable type for string. Yep. Sige na do the string one. That's interesting. So this is how you put string. Var type address. So you type. So types of Pascal strings. So they consist of letters, numbers, symbols, etc. So type series are declared inside the var block. Short strings, this string A is used, whatever is null. So let's try it out. Or just follow the tutorial. Anong didiri? Okay. So let's just read now. So this is function. Function. Two types of function, procedure and functions. So for function has return, procedure don't have returns. So that's the difference. Comments, as mentioned kanina. And it's case sensitive. Same ganyan. Case sensitive ang kaning program. And statements. Oh, that's cool. Pascal made the statement. It's clearly defined Java program. Okay. So this is how. That's interesting. And this is the reserved words. So you cannot use these words in Pascal, in the code editor in here. And then character set identifiers. And so it's like, yeah, very basic. It's cool. Sige, let's proceed. Data types. So data types are, okay, this one. So in declaring a variable, you need to have data types, and then integer. Wait, I gotta try that one. This one, read line, write line. Okay. Ay. Can I erase this CRT? One. So var. Just try though. This turns error. Okay, error. Okay, because we don't have variable. Don't know how to do variable. Sige, let's proceed na lang to the next one. So data types is, this is data types. So data types, scalar, pointer, and structured. So scalar is standard. So we have numbers mostly. Numbers, I don't know what's real. Character is like in the this one standard. In a word or string there is a character. Boolean is true or false. So scalar user defined is enumerated and subrange. I think you can. So user defined meaning the developers made is data types. Pointer is somewhat I'm not familiar, pero it's been used in the programming. Structured array is a group of numbers, records, files. So structured, this is like group of this one. So big data. Types of declarations. So this is how you. So first, in the declaring variable, you need to have types. So days, age is integer. Yes, true. It's boolean, name, series, string. So you can do like that one. Constant. Constant velocity, constant value. So this is constant. It cannot change. Like there is two kinds of, or there are three in the JavaScript world. First is the JavaScript, not Pascal, there is three types of variables. There is constant also. It cannot be changed. JavaScript types 7 day. Pero on this all there are three. There's constant, meaning constant you cannot change it. There is let. Let is you can use that and change it within a function or within that portion lang. And there's global or var where you can use it anywhere and change it anywhere. So lagi nanipod. So going back to Pascal, use of constant makes a program more readable and has special quantities. So example, this one is constant or velocity of light. Name. It's like if you have constant. So enumerated is this one. Enumerated types. Subrange is this one, like 18 to 100. So you can define. Types is subrange. You can have subrange like that one. So let's proceed. Variable types. So character, integer, real. So there are 7 also. Okay, so here. Okay, so we can do this one. So example, age is var. So you start with var and then age. Age is integer. So next is choice. It's boolean. And name. Why is it color string? So this is valid Pascal type, and final declare type can be identified by name. This type can be used to define variables. This one. So define can be used in variable declaration. Okay, so here below is how you can use this one. So if you can use constant message welcome. Hello friends. And then so you can put here read and then welcome. Oopsie, what happened? You don't illegal. Okay, illegal. Okay, this is illegal. I used to ko sa double quote pero bawal ang double quote. You need single quote. Okay. Mali. You put right ln. Yeah. That's it. So kan ibawal eh. That's interesting. Okay. The next is the type. So the type, so you could define here what is name. Name you could only string. So only string or can put okay ka na lang. And then type is var. So supposed to be you could do this one here. Yep, that one. So right ln okay, bawal siya. What is your name? What is your name? Then, sorry, it's supposed to be in here in the doc, and then this one is um, user name. So you declare it there and then put it below. So you just um, okay, you're gonna copy this one. Read line. Mm, uh, so let's do that one. Oopsie. Okay, this one here. It's supposed to be this one. So username is defined as name, a string, and type, and then a type is a string. Mm. Is your name? Becky? Hello, Becky. So, that's it. So we had simple, basic this one, basic user input and output in Pascal. Let's try. Let's try another. Let's try this one. Where we wait, yeah, check it on IPy. Okay, this one. So it's under uh, basic syntax. So you can see read line. So what he's going to do is he's going to output the area based on input ni read line. So right now we know how to. So let's try this one. What's the comment again? So you could use it one. We programmers use really comments so we can hide the code and reuse it again, or to hide bugs for bug fixing. Read line ABC, and ABC is supposed to be a number. So number is number is integer. Like variables a B C supposed to be numbers. Sasayaw sa kulog. Numbers are. So am I allowed like this one? Check down. I think they are allowed. So supposed to be integers. Integer. A, B, and C. I'm gonna use lang that one. 1, 2, and 3. That's interesting. So just wait for my input. Okay, I'm gonna declare 1 s is equal to, so s is a number also, and area is an integer also. So you're gonna display the area. Okay. Compiler error in Mm-hmm. Because we like to jump things. Okay, I didn't say anything wrong. My code. Hmm. One error in 27. Mm-hmm. Okay. So why do we have pointer in here? Okay. This is error 1, 2, and 3. Ah, yeah. So that's it, and then gonna try. Okay. Okay. Why? Sasayaw sa kulog at banat, iikutin ang palaakpan. I remove this one. So the error is the 2. Divide in 2. Maybe it's not. It's a float. Do they have float in here? Numbers. Floats in Pascal. So we're going to import this fmt variable, accepting decimal numbers in Pascal. So you're going to use the real. Real data type. So this one is real. That's interesting. 1, 2, and 3. It's an error in runtime, so we can't do that. Okay. Try to figure out tomorrow. Pero that's it. It's 4:52. So that's 1 hour video. Um, yeah, we gotta check this one tomorrow. Yeah, put our notes in here, and so we learn about this one. Learn about Pascal, basic. What is Pascal, and then what is so it's basic. It's data type environment. Um, we just have a glimpse data types. Uh, so ba variables, and so tomorrow we're gonna deep in. I continue this one. Tapos so this will be daily study. I'll be posting. So after this one, okay, I'll post ko sa YouTube. And if you want to join me, there's a kuan pod link here. If you want to correct my uh, what I've been talking, so you can join me in here. So we can learn from each other about mga techie stuffs. So we're going to talk many things, dili lang mga programming language. Maybe we could talk about AI or any cybersecurity, which is trending right now. The web programming is, for me, it's like there's too many people in the market. Also, AI can create a website also easily. So right now, the trends in the IT is cybersec and AI. So we'll talk about that late sa mga sunod na days. So right now, programming language na Pascal. So that's it. See you tomorrow, and don't forget to like my like my video in my channel. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.